हमारा देश में है ना, देश में, हमारा देश में धुमतना को पद्मश्री अवार्ड दिया जाता है। पद्मश्री अवार्ड हमारा देश को, सिर्फ धुमतना और बकवास करो और पद्मश्री लेके जाओ। ये लोगों को, ये प्रोड्यूसर लोगों को इतनी घटिया काम के लिए पद्मश्री अवार्ड दिया जाता है। तो अगर आप अवार्ड दोगे और अब उन लोगों को और एनकरेजमेंट दोगे तो वो लोग घटिया पर घटिया और वाहियात पर वाहियात काम करते रहेंगे ना, लौड़ाबाजी करते ही रहेंगे ना। तो अभी क्या हुआ, टीवी में परमिशन नहीं दे रहा है चुतियापा दिखाने के लिए, टीवी में परमिशन नहीं दिखा रहा है, तो ऐप खोलकर बैठा है, ऐप खोलकर, और ऐप खोलकर XXX अनसेंसर्ड, गंदी बात, वाहियात वेब सीरीज वहां पर दिखा रहा है। दिस टाइप ऑफ वेब सीरीज आर अ बिग एम्बैरेसमेंट टू द कंट्री, big disgrace to the country and a big shame to the country. That's it. Big shame to the country. Worst it is. Worst to the power minus 0 to the power double infinity. That is worst. Okay. Producers, directors, this is a secular country. They have full rights. They have full rights to make porn and do pornography. They have full rights. They can do and make the platform. But now they have crossed and reached all the limits and heights. They have crossed all the limits. सर के ऊपर चढ़ गया. They are creating pornography and all those bizarre nonsense rubbish in the name of Indian Army. In the name of Indian Army, they are thinking that Indian people have tolerance level to the power crores. They have tolerance level. That whatever the fuck they show on the screen, whatever the fuck they produce, we will not raise a single voice against them. We will not raise a single voice against them. No. No. This is new India. This is new India. All the youths have a voice now. All the youths have a voice and they'll voice their opinions. They'll voice their opinions and bash everyone. They'll bash everyone. Whoever is doing all this shit and rubbish. Shit and rubbish. What is there in that XX uncensored? XXX uncensored and some nonsense? We have to order one microscope and use a microscope and search the content. क्योंकि content पे नाम पे कुछ नहीं है, सिर्फ सी के नाम पे चुतियापा है, बस चुतियापा है और अश्लीलता है, बस only vulgarity is shown. And now in that vulgarity scenes and all these scenes they are tearing the army uniform. Who the hell on earth is this Ekta auntie to produce such a web series which disrespects Indian army? Who the hell on the planet? शर्म करो, कुछ शर्म करो. What a wonderful lesson. What a wonderful lesson they are giving to the young generation. What a wonderful lesson. That when your army officer husband is going on the duty at the border, you bring your boyfriend and do chudna and sex and that's it. This is what they are teaching to the young generation. Wow, what a lesson. Ban Alt Balaji, that's it. Ban that Alt Balaji and ban all such web series. Ghatiya Lauda web series. That's it. Ghatiya Lauda web series. Worst web series. Worst platform. Worst app. That's it. Worst app. Very good. To all the brave-hearted people who have filed a case against producers. Enough is enough. It has crossed all the tolerance level. They are taking Indian audience for granted. They are just taking Indian audience for granted. These type of producers and these type of directors. Especially that Ekta Kapoor and that Alt Balaji nonsense.